Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately.
If you follow my steps on the video step by step, your fault will be solved easily and at the lowest cost.
In order to reach and detect the defective part of our device, we first disassemble the device. Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. Look, this piece should not stick like this. In fact, the sponge pieces that prevent it from making noise have lost their function and cause it to stick.
When we make a photocopy, a thin line may appear on the paper. We will see how we can solve this malfunction in the most cost-effective way.
I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends.
Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. I took this video as the second step for our viewers who could not get results from this method. Our friends who did not get results again, write in the comments, I can help.
We can simply fix the fault by replacing this part. Yes, when we try, our writing comes out perfect. We have solved this problem. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.